What's going on, guys? I hope you guys can hear me with the headphones on. Out here on a Saturday, putting in work. Got 3 jobs today. It's typically what I like to do in one day. Trying to make it happen. A little bit chilly out here in North Carolina. Leaves have all fallen, so it is money making season. Um, I wanted to get up here, man, and just kind of, I don't know, give a very simple explanation to how you do a job. If you had the capacity to walk a roof. So I'm on a not super steep roof as it is. Um, if you're going to get into the industry and you plan on getting or doing gutter cleaning and you plan on doing them from the roof, there's a couple essential pieces of equipment that I'm going to recommend that you have. The first one, if you're climbing a roof, is going to be these bad boys right here. These are called Cougar Paws. Um, Essentially, what it is, there's a removable pad on the bottom that gives you some more tackiness when you're on an asphalt roof. That do not help on metal roofs. You're better off wearing like a nice rubber sole type shoe for that. But Cougar Paws that have a felt bottom on that allow you to grip to the shingles. It disperses your weight out. It doesn't cause damage to the shingles the same way a normal shoe would do, and just gives you that extra peace of mind and reassurance when you're climbing on something that's a little bit steeper. You're still going to have to find out where you are in that threshold or what you're capable of doing, but it is an absolute necessity. It's going to keep you safer when you're on these roofs. Um, and then once you kind of get the ability to climb roofs and you're not falling off on a regular basis, your next pieces of equipment are going to be sitting right here because I just got done doing this gutter cleaning. So you can kind of see here, this black item is called a pitch hopper. Now, a pitch hopper, I learned about this thing when I was in the roofing industry because I used to be a storm chaser, so helping homeowners get new roofs paid for by insurance. And this is it here. So the back of it has a nice cushion on it. And what'll happen is as you put weight on it, kind of like this, it will stick all the way up to a 12 pitch. Now, I'm not going to recommend you put all your weight on something like that, but what I like to do, and you can see in some of my other videos, is as I'm kind of just walking the edge, I'll just take it with me as just kind of like a little extra piece of reassurance. And that way, if something gets a little bit steep, I can take a quick break and sit on it without, blowing out my calves. And that is that. So check those out. They're I think anywhere between 100 and 150 bucks, depending on what size you get, because they come in different widths. And the last one, which is the other item you saw there, is going to be a handheld gas blower. And I know some of you guys are big in the battery space. I haven't used a battery one in quite some time. The last time I did, it just was not strong enough for what I needed. So, gas powered, it's trusted. I know it's going to work. It's stronger. Um, and I don't have to worry about, I didn't charge the battery last night or whatever, right? So handheld gas blowers, I like handheld over backpack blower just because it's easier to navigate the roof and put that blower in certain angles that you can't necessarily do with a backpack blower. The backpack blower has that one arm that you have to kind of control, and I just sometimes you're trying to walk up a valley, whatever, it might make the roof slash is just heavy on your back and get you off balance. If you're not seasoned at walking roofs, it could just cause some additional issues. So if you're looking to get into the space, you're looking to clean gutters from the roof, um, Cougar Paws, pitch hopper, and then a handheld gas blower. It's going to be the absolute essentials. If you want extra security, look into a Ridge Pro with a harness. That way you can kind of strap off to the ridge of a roof. And then as you go down the edges, you have even an extra layer of security. There's also some like pants and roofing pants that are extra grippy. That way, if you do slip, you'll have that reassurance as well. So, anyways, not a super in-depth video. I just know some of you guys have very simple questions because you're not in the space currently. But get those 3 items, get out here, start making things happen, test your comfortability with walking on roofs. I'm going to recommend getting on something extremely, flat in the beginning, maybe a 3, 4, 5 pitch, and then as you get more comfortable, start working your way up to where you can handle a 6, 7, 8, 9, maybe a 10. Anything over a 10, I don't care who you are. You shouldn't be walking the roof blowing out gutters. It's too steep. You're just risking your life for uh, not a lot of money. So, anyways, man, I appreciate you guys being here. Check the links below. Check out Gutter Cleaner U. Hop in the Telegram group. And as always, babe, keep on playing.